Hello viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies waist designs model. Let's start. A crochet waist design is a sleeveless garment made using crochet techniques created by looping yarn with a hook to form various decorative patterns. Crochet waist can be worn over shirts, dresses, or tops to add warmth and a stylish handmade touch. Here is a simple breakdown. What it is. A crochet waist is a lightweight outerwear piece without sleeves, made using different crochet stitches such as double crochet, granny squares, shell stitch, or lace patterns, usually crafted with cotton, acrylic, or wool yarn, depending on the season. Popular crochet waist styles: granny square waist, colorful squares joined together for a retro look; boho frings waist, flowy with tassels or frings for a bohemian style; lace crochet waist, delicate open work design for an elegant, airy feel; chunky crochet waist, made with thick yarn for a cozy winter ready look; crop or long line waist, short waist for a trendy touch, or long waist for layering. Design ideas: add buttons or ties in front. Use ombre or multicolored yarns for visual interest. Try textured stitches like popcorn or puff for a 3D effect. And pockets, springs, or embroidery to personalize the design. Here are some extra tips for making beautiful crochet waist designs. Whether you are creating your own or following a pattern, choose the right yarn. For a summer vest, use cotton or bamboo yarn. It is breathable and soft. For a winter vest, choose wool or acrylic yarn. They are warmer and cozier. Pick yarn colors that match your wardrobe to the seasons. Pastels for spring, earthy tones for fall. Select the suitable stitch patterns: granny skirts for a vintage look, shell or fanny stitches for a feminine delicate style, mesh or lace stitches for a light airy design, front post or back post stitches for texture and depth. Measure properly. Take chest, shoulder, and length measurements before starting. Always make a cuff swatch to your waist fits correctly. Play with colors. Combine neutral and bold shades for balance. Try ombre effects or color blocking for a modern twist. Use contrasting borders or trims to define the aesthetic. Add personal touches. Add buttons, tassels, or frings for decoration. Crochet small flowers or motifs to attach on top. Use decorative stitches on the edge for a polished look. Focus on finishing. Weave all yarn ends neatly. Block your waist. Lightly stretch and pin it while damp, so smooth and shape it. Add a soft fabric lining if you want a more structured waist. Style it creatively. Pair with dresses, jeans, or shirts, depending on the waist style. Layer it for a cozy or boho look. Mix textures. Crochet of a denim or cotton looks stunning. Experiment with stitch combination. Mix simple stitches like single and double crochet with textured ones like puff or bobble for unique patterns. Try alternating open lace rows with solid rows for balance and structure. Add pattern details. Use stripes or geometric motifs to make your waist eye-catching. Create a floral or leaf patterns in the back panel for a feminine touch. Incorporate granny hexagons or squares for a richer look. Customize the shape. Make a fitted vest with shaping around the waist for a flattering silhouette. Go for a cropped vest for a trendy, youthful vibe. Use creative edging and scalloped peacock or shell borders for a pretty finish. Crochet lace trim along the front or hemline. Use contrasting color borders to highlight the edge. Mix materials. Combine yarn and ribbon or lace thread for texture. Sew in fabric patches or use crochet motifs as appliques. Use wooden, pearl or metal buttons to match your vest theme. Make it versatile, add ties or buttons so it can be worn open or closed. Make detachable rings or tassels for different looks. Use neutral colors for daily wear or bright tones for a statement piece. Care and maintenance. Hand wash gently and lay flat to dry to keep it safe. Stir folded, not hung, to prevent stressing. Use mild detergent to preserve yarn softness and color. Add a label or tag. If you sell or gift your crochet pieces, add a small handmade tag or brand label. It adds a professional and personal touch. Play with yarn texture. Use variegated yarn to create natural color changes without switching sequins. Mix matte and shiny yarns like cotton plus silk blend for an elegant contrast. Try chunky yarn for a cozy winter vest or fine thread for a delicate lace vest. Add dimension. Use relief stitches, front post and back post crochet to add depth and texture. Incorporate jazzed motifs like flowers, cables, or ribbing. Try layered crochet, adding odd motifs on top of another for 3D effects. Experiment with color layouts. Create ombre faded by blending shades gradually. Try color blocking different colors for top, middle, and bottom. Use contrasting panels, such as a darker back and lighter front. Focus on armhole and neckline shaping. Smooth oil-fitted armholes give a professional finish. Try different necklines, V-neck, round or open front. Add a ribbed or scalloped edge to define the neckline. Use embellishment smartly. Sew on tiny crochet flowers, buttons, or pearls. Add mini tassels or fringe to the bottom edge. Decorate the back with a statement motif like a mandala or heart. Try modular crochet. Make your vest from joined motifs like granny squares, hexagons, or circles. Join motifs using invisible joints or decorative lacy joints. This technique makes it easy to size up or down. Adjust for comfort. Add side slits for more movement and flexibility. Use a lighter yarn if you want it breathable for summer. Avoid overly tight stitching. It should drop nicely over clothing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!